Happy kid. Kabibili niya ng laptop niya. Ayan, unboxing daw. I-video ko daw yung ano niya.
Unboxing my new laptop.
Oh, new laptop.
Bought from Octagon Shop. Brand is ACER. With free Microsoft Office for home and student. Included with this PC.
Kaya, oh, ayan. Na. Exulting with one.
These are the manuals. Step up guide. Saan siya?
Manual.
For warranty. For warranty.
Then freebies.
The freebies include wireless mouse, 85-in-1 multi-card reader,
Mousepad.
and free bag and the mouse pad.
Specs of your computer.
Silver color. O, nipis kayo. So, muna siya.
Then a keyboard protector.
With the keyboard protector.
Not a freebies. You buy that one separately.
Only 120 pesos.
So what is your specs of your computer?
So many. Ryzen 4000 series.
Ryzen 5.
Ryzen 5 with AMD Radeon graphics. Fast charging, 14 inches display with narrow bezel design, long battery life, Wi-Fi, ultra fast wireless speed, HDMI port.
But there's no LAN port, no?
No LAN port.
If it's full charge, you have to remove the cable charge, then use it by battery. And if it's 10% already, then you need to charge your computer.
And the computer table, I will unbox.
Ang background to alyan ako.
Dong, masama manidong.
Oh, cutter. Oh. Silita ng lubot.
Kani?
Kani. Kani.
Kani?
Oh. Li. Kani ba? Silito ni mo kani.
Oh.
Ana niya itod. Nga.
I bought this in a Korean shop.
Worth
349.
set.
Lao, aha man na yung charger dong.
Nasa imong kuan, nasa akin pa ni cartoon.
Ano na siya dong.
Muna siya.
Ikat na dong. Ako na ng file.